This is a fully 3D printed Warlock-style guitar body, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to print and assemble it step by step. And stick around till the end of the video for a quick sound demo. This design, along with nearly 100 other guitar options, is available as downloadable STL and 3MF files or as full DIY kits shipped right to your door, along with all the components and hardware you need. You'll find the full details along with step-by-step digital guides at the3dprintzone.com, linked in the description below. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and now let's dive into the build. Each guitar section is designed to fit on a 256 by 256 millimeter print bed or larger, making it compatible with a wide range of home 3D printers. We include 3MF files with preloaded print settings so you can slice and print right away, or you can use the STL files if you prefer to fine-tune your setup. The body parts print at 20% infill, 4 perimeters, and 0.2 millimeter layer heights by default, and tree supports are recommended since they remove cleanly. In total, you can expect to use about 1.5 to 2 kilograms of filament and around 30 to 40 hours of print time depending on your settings. The body is assembled using dowel pins for alignment. Start by applying a small amount of super glue into the holes and inserting the dowels. Then apply glue to the mating surfaces and press the parts together. While the bond sets quickly, letting it cure for 24 hours will give the strongest result. Now it's time to assemble the components, and all you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Start by routing the wires with the pre-soldered battery tabs through the body, and then repeat this for the output jack. Install the output jack mount using the washer and nut, and then secure it to the body. Now you can attach the controls module to the body using 2 screws. Now we can flip the body over to install the remaining components. Attach the 3D printed latch post to the contacts adapter in the orientation shown. Then clip in the metal contacts following the color-coded wiring diagram for the pickup signals and grounds. Once installed, mount the adapter to the body. To install the strap post, insert the screw with the rubber washer, slide the square nut into the slot, and tighten everything down. Then you can repeat this for the second strap post, and just like that, the body is officially complete. From here, all that's left is to slide the body onto a center core, lock the latch, and you're ready to plug it in. Here's a quick demo of how it sounds. If you have any questions, check out the FAQ page at our website, the3dprintzone.com. Send us a message or leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for updates and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.